This segment shows you how to integrate PayPal Business with GoHighLevel to streamline your payment and invoicing processes. Essentially, you're linking PayPal's payment processing to GoHighLevel's CRM, funnel builder, and email marketing tools. First, ensure you have a verified PayPal business account and a GoHighLevel subscription. The basic plan starts at $97 per month. In GoHighLevel, navigate to Payments, then Integrations, and select PayPal. Enter your PayPal business client ID and secret ID in the provided fields. Grant the necessary permissions for invoice creation, payment receipt, and refund processing. The connection uses OAuth 2.0 API for secure authorization, allowing GoHighLevel to access PayPal's payment endpoints safely. Once connected, you can generate invoices directly from contact profiles, embed payment links in automated emails, and track all transactions from within GoHighLevel's reporting dashboard. Now that your PayPal business account is connected to GoHighLevel, let's look at the key features. You can now fully automate invoices and accept payments. One of the main advantages is the use of webhooks, which provide real-time updates on payment statuses within GoHighLevel. This automatic syncing removes the need for manual intervention and greatly improves efficiency. You also have the ability to handle recurring subscription payments and split payments for multi-vendor scenarios, which is useful for agencies managing payouts to clients. Note that PayPal now enforces stricter verification, including two-factor authentication and business documentation. But thanks to streamlined API connections, setup time should still only take minutes. This integration ensures that transactions are secure and compliant with standards like GDPR and PCI DSS.